option dialog box. If you click on edit menu, you'll have the options. This is very important dialog box with many tabs and many options in each tab. From here you can control the most of the user interface options. This is where you can customize that how SPSS windows can look and feel, and some of the ways to respond to actions which you give command. If you come to use SPSS frequently, you will definitely want to explore these options, because they have a different sort of output currency. You can change the currency here as we check these currencies, and there is suffix, and in data calculate values immediately, and the view how the fonts and the area and the language, the journal option, and the pivot table. One of the most important option is the general option, where you can see the variable list option. This basically shows you how the variable should be listed in your output window or in data views. And you can see that we have the option to label as display names or display labels, alphabetical or file or measurement level. We can change it in accordance to our requirement. Use predefined roles, or you can use the custom assignment to save time, and dialogs allows the use of the predefined field roles to automatically assign variables field on the list in the dialog box, and similarly maximum number of the threads, that is automatically. And in the output we can see the no scientific notation for small numbers in tables, and display leading zeros of the decimals, and apply locales digit grouping format to numeric values. Measurement system, we can change it from inches to points or centimeters. And notification, raise viewer windows, scroll to new output, and look and feel. Here I change it from Macintosh to the SPSS standard. And open syntax window at startup, you can select it or unselect it, uncheck it. So this is how you can apply these options in the general tab. Accordingly, SPSS supports a variety of the languages, and add output if you wish to see the output in different languages. So you can select it from language, and these are the output languages which are available so far. That is English and Chinese and French, German, Italian, Japanese, and Korean. And similarly user interface can also be changed from Chinese to French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Russian, and Spanish. This can also be changed. Base text direction, that is automatically right to left and left to right options are available. Similarly, on the viewer tab, you've seen that display commands in the log. Checking this box will cause SPSS to display and print the syntax commands which we run during our analysis, and it will also print the result and the result in output. This is one nice way to generate SPSS for you, different syntax commands and help. An output label tab is basically outline labeling variables in item labels shown as names or labels, or names and label both. You can select according to your requirement, and we can check in all these tabs. Another very useful option available in edit menu. Here you can see the command F or command shift H, and command shift H is available on edit menu, and that can change the replace any word or any entry or any data